What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how I clean scallops. Today we're going to be cleaning them completely and pan searing them. So this one's already open. I got a spoon. I'll scrape the top shell, throw that to the side. I'll take all this stuff out, give it a little rinse, open up my little, I ran out of Ziploc bags. And there we have it right there, a little scoop, and you got everything. Same thing. Get everything off the top. Just like that, little rinse. Got them all cleaned up. One step left to do, bring them inside, dry them off, and we'll get them marinated and cooked up for dinner. Thanks for watching. God bless.